Hello everyone, this will be a tough one. We're in Largo del Promontorio, meaning the hill of San Vito. The house is at 208 square meters. There's 2 parking places just beneath our feet. There's no need to talk you through this entrance. You can see it for yourself. What we have in this house are 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and this huge living area, and a huge garden, 3,000 or something square meters. These mirrors hide a few secrets. There's all the space you need for your laundry, for your clothes, for the extra stuff in your house. It has been totally flipped. This is the main bedroom, but most impressive is the bathroom. This is your shower, probably 2 by 2. You have a huge tub, and from there you can enjoy your Netflix season with a 65-inch TV right from your bathtub. You do have a view on the sea. Second bedroom, second bathroom, and a glass kitchen. Bought from Valcucine with Miele appliances, and it's fully glass. Have a look at the 3D tour. I've known this place. I have many marvelous memories. So let me take a minute to thank everybody for the wonderful journey. This is the garden I was talking about. This fills up of life in spring with kids playing, dogs running. I think this is it. Anything you need, just get in touch. TriesteVillas.com. Thank you.